What is good, people? It's your boy Dan, back with another video. So this video is episode/part 2 of comparing designers to thrift items. So how this is going to work is I'm going to show you the thrift item and I'm going to compare it to the designer, what's different, what's not different. Basically the point of the video is to show you that you can get designer looking items from the thrift store. It's pretty simple. So let's just hop on into it. Also, I'm going to apologize. I'm sick, but I want to get this video out. So you're gonna have to deal with my nasally voice, unfortunately. I know my voice is annoying already, and then being sick on top of it sucks to suck, I guess. I will be looking at my phone because I have notes and pictures that I'm referencing. So bear with me, people. First up, I don't even know if you can see it yet. First up, we have this Nike mock neck golf tee, and we're comparing it to the off-white mock neck t-shirt that was sold, I don't even know what season it was from, but hopefully it's right here. So I got this one from the thrift store at, I think the price was $3, maybe $4. The off-white one, I don't know how much it retailed for, but I know it's on Grailed for $250, so I'm assuming it was more than that. So price difference is astronomical. So for details on the off-white piece, it's an oversized mock neck t-shirt, just like this one. It has Old English font on the front or center front of the band, and it says off, and then on the back it has white going across. And there's probably a seam going down the middle, because I know he did that a lot for his t-shirts. And for this one, details is, of course, you got the mock neck. It's oversized. You have that little Nike check on the left sleeve, and then you have side slits at the side of the t-shirt. This one, it's a double XL. It's super soft, super breathable, because it's like a golf t-shirt, so it's supposed to be breathable and nice for the hot weather. Let's see what the fabric is. Yeah, fabric is 64% cotton and 36% polyester, so it's kind of supposed to be breathable. I really love the fit. I actually have two of these. This one's the extra large, and I have an extra large. It's just a nice, comfy, oversized black shirt. That's basically what the off-white one was. So, alright, so next up we're gonna do hoodies, and we're doing, for the designer piece, the Amiri dual zipper hoodie, and then for thrift, we're doing this Champion hoodie. The Amiri hoodie came in at a whopping $850, and this one came in at $8, and it's one of my most worn zip-up hoodies to date right now. So this one's pretty self-explanatory as well. It's just like a semi-oversized hoodie that has dual silver zipper and is distressed all over, and it's $850. Or you could just go to the thrift and find a Champion hoodie. The hoodie's a size large. It is slightly oversized. It has distressing on the front pockets and the sleeves. The sleeves are not regular set-in sleeves. They are raglan sleeves, or there's another name for this, but can't think of it at the moment. But you have these paneling on the side, and then yeah, it's just an oversized hoodie. It's super soft. It's basically the same look or aesthetic that you're getting from that Amiri hoodie. There's just no shiny zipper. So it's either you're gonna go with an $8 hoodie or you're gonna get an $850 hoodie. So what are you gonna do? All right, so for the next piece, I don't have an exact comparison, but I'm doing it more so the brand / aesthetic. It is Visvim. If you don't know, it's a Japanese brand that does like Americana based clothing. And I'm comparing it to this thrifted like jacket. The closest thing I could find was a jacket from Visvim at $3,000. So the Visvim jacket is $3,000 and this is $8. So for the details of the Visvim jacket that I'm kind of loosely basing it off of, it's an olive green collar jacket. It's got slant pockets at the side. There's draw cords at the hem and at like the model's waist, so you can like cinch it in. It's got like paint splatter or blotches all over like the bottom third of the jacket. It's just like a collar jacket with like cuffs at the bottom or cuffs at the sleeves. So details on the jacket, you have the corduroy collar. Obviously it's flannel. You have these 4 patch pockets that aren't corduroy, they're another like brown or dark brown fabric. You have this hidden button, or you have hidden buttons on the center front, and then you have this one little like clasp at the bottom. There were 4 on them, but I kind of took them off because I didn't like the 4. I liked just the one at the bottom. There are no like cuffs. It's just like a regular sleeve, and it's actually a size small, but it fits like probably like a large. And it's like got drop shoulders, so it's a nice silhouette, and it's super comfy, super nice for the winter. And I definitely think it's just got that Americana aesthetic to it, which fits Visvim's whole like style. Personally, I think you would definitely see something like this in a collection for Visvim. Maybe not the same fabrics or the same like silhouette exactly, but I think this is kind of right up their alley. So for the only pair of pants, we are comparing the Reese Cooper cotton twill cargo pants and these thrifted Wrangler pants that you might have seen in my previous video where I altered them. I made the leg opening smaller. The Reese Cooper pants retail for about $3.90, which actually, for me, or personally, I don't think is a terrible amount, not compared to like the $3,000 jacket. But these Wrangler pants were like $5 at most, and it definitely gives off a very similar aesthetic. So for the Reese Cooper pant, it is a straight-legged cargo pant. You got cargo pockets on each side. At the front, you have knee paneling, and in the back, you have a gusset insert. The only other thing for like details is it's triple needle stitching all over instead of like double needle. For these Wrangler pants, they have triple needle stitching at like the back and front pockets, and then double needle for the rest. You have your cargo pockets on each side, and then you have these back patch pockets. And for this one, it is fleece lined with a brown fleece, so it's super warm, super cozy, and super thick. I love these. I wear them all the time. It's perfect for the winter. And although I tapered them and made them kind of more of a slim, straight fit, they're still baggy. They still give off the same like workwear / militaristic vibe that I think those Reese Cooper pants have. And I think in comparison, the only thing you're missing on this one is the knee inserts. I think for $6, you're definitely getting that feel and the aesthetic of Reese Cooper without paying like the $400 price point. All right, last up, definitely not least, we have this thrifted suede jacket that is super sick, and we are comparing it to the Saint Laurent bomber jacket and suede jacket because it's kind of like a combination of the two, looks-wise. So the Saint Laurent suede jacket retails for about $5,000. I couldn't find what the bomber jacket price is. It's probably around the same, maybe $3,000, I don't know. And this jacket, at the very most, I can't remember if I got, if it was on sale or not, but I got it for, on the tag it says $10. And for a suede jacket, that is super, super, super cheap. And I think this jacket actually gives off SLP vibes. So for this jacket, it is definitely a slimmer jacket. It was made in Korea, so I think the sizing's a little bit smaller. It's a size 42. So details on the suede / bomber jacket. For the bomber jacket, you have the shoulder cutouts or shoulder paneling / sleeve paneling. For the suede jacket, you have that zipper closure, the collar, of course, and then that cinched waistband. And for this jacket, what you'll see is it's very reminiscent of the bomber jacket with the sleeve, with those inserts. It's also a zipper front. I like to keep the collar like popped up, and then you have this little like belt closure. You also have the cinched waistband, and then you have these like button closure cuffs with these pleats coming out that are so sick. The jacket itself is very slim, just like Saint Laurent. I think a lot of their stuff fits slim, and I think this piece is super unique looking. It definitely gives off SLP vibes in my opinion. The suede is super soft. Although I won't be able to layer with it too much, I think it'll be a great spring piece. But yeah, I think this is a great comparison or a alternative to the Saint Laurent bomber jacket / suede jacket, or if you just want that Saint Laurent look. And that completes the video. thank you for watching. The whole point of this little series thing is to show you that you can go to the thrift store and still find pieces that are either designer, because I found designer pieces there at Thrift, or just have the same look and aesthetic and just at a insanely cheaper price. If you made it this far, please like the video, drop a comment on which piece you like the best. Let me know what you want me to do next, if it's more DIY stuff, more thrift stuff, whatever it is, designer. Follow me on my social media. DANVERHEY is down in the description below. That's all I got. Thank you again. Take care. Peace.